Okay, as you all know, we always start an Excel function with an equal sign. And then type filter, open parenthesis. Now select the array. Array is the data we want to filter. Now include section is the criteria for which we want to filter the data. For first question, criteria is, department should be IT. Just put the department column equals to IT within the inverted commas. Now do the same thing for the second question. As we need the employee list with greater than 25,000 salary, we have to put the salary column in the include parameter of filter function with greater than operator. Let me include the salary column also in the array so that we could easily check our output whether we are getting the more than 25,000 salaried employees or not. As you can see, we got the filtered list right here. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Comment below about which function you want to see next video.